If, for instance, now there was another religion exactly like yours, and but then it's now backed up with evidence and all of that.
Right.
You know, which one would you would still pick your own, wouldn't you?
The reason why I'd say that is because our book confirms this, and it says that there will be no other scriptures after it.
No, so that's what I'm saying now. That if, for instance, now another one was also backed, had the same evidence, because if, for instance, you bring another person with their own religion, they will come and.
The thing is, you know what's amazing is this Quran. You can't copy it. Not just copy it. You can't create anything like it. Meaning, you can't create a book even if you wanted to. You know, I'll give you an example. If we go to chapter 16 in the Quran, right? I came across this a few days ago. Chapter 16. It means An-Nahl, which in Arabic means the bee.
The what?
The bee.
The bee.
The bee. So it talks about the honeybee and how they produce the honey and all that kind of stuff, and how honey is beneficial and stuff. The Prophet recommended it as a remedy for many illnesses. Yeah. Do you know the male bee? Do you know how much chromosomes it has?
No, I don't know.
The male bee has 16 chromosomes, and then the female honeybee has 2 pairs of 16 chromosomes, which is 32.
It's true, yeah.
Right? Now, would you say that's a coincidence? Because remember, I've claimed that this book is the word from God. That can't be a coincidence, because the chapter is chapter 16. The name is the bee. The male bee has 16 chromosomes. The female bee has 2 pairs of 16 chromosomes.
Yeah.
And then the queen bee, you know what the queen bee is? The leader of the
leader, yeah.
It takes her 16 days to lay her eggs. And that's science, and you can look it up today. This was revealed to a man who couldn't read and write in the desert, and in a time where it had no technology and had no science. How is this power possible? That's just a miracle, one miracle out of the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of miracles in the book. How can this not be the word of God? You can read through from the beginning to the front without finding a single contradiction, and I can promise you that, because I know it's the word of God, and the word of God has no mistakes. There's no mistakes in the word in the book of God.